teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Madhavika Sankari. My school name is Happiness International School. I study in third standard. Today is the day to cherish this great nation and to be proud to be a part of it. Wishing you all a glorious Republic Day. On this auspicious occasion, I am going to speak to one of Republic Day, which is a very special for all Indians and citizens in good manners. Today we are going to celebrate 76th Republic Day of India. That is why we are gathered here and we all are going to share the pride of great nation. We celebrate Republic Day to commemorate the day Indian Constitution come into force. It was on January 26, 1950. This date is a landmark in Indian history. It took great hard work from great leaders, thinkers, educationists, and the great visions to adopt the Indian Constitution. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. Our Constitution is the longest written Constitution in the world. The Constitution gives all of us the same rights despite differences, religion, color, or languages. It is our right to choose the best prime minister or any other leader who can lead the country in better direction. Every year on this day, a grand parade is held on the Rajpath of Delhi and it holds the spirit of unity and diversity. Ensures its rich cultural heritage. Ever since we got independence from British rule in 1947,